Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making sasami no pirikara ae, a spicy and savory chicken tenderloin dish. This dish combines the tenderness of chicken tenderloin with a zesty and spicy dressing, creating a delightful balance of flavors. It's perfect for those who love a little kick in their meals. Let's get started! First, love the chicken tenderloin with sugar and salt and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Next, massage sake into the tenderloin and let them marinate for 10 minutes. Place the tenderloins on a microwave-safe dish, covered lightly with plastic wrap, and microwave on 600 watts for about 1.5 minutes. Flip the tenderloins and microwave for an additional 30 to 50 seconds at 600 watts. If they're not fully cooked, give them a bit more time in the microwave. Mix the sauce ingredients in the deep dish. Once cooked, let the tenderloins cool. When they're cool, shred them into your desired size. Add the shredded tenderloins and mix well to combine. That's it! The combination of spiciness and sourness is exquisite. We used eating chili oil, which adds delicious depth with its spicy and oily flavor, perfectly complementing the tender chicken. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, sasami no pirikara ae, a simple yet flavorful dish that's sure to spice up your mealtime. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. If you do, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it turns out for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next cooking adventure. Bye bye!